at those cones. Looks so yummy.
Yep, and I'm so excited to play this ice cream cone challenge.
Let's do this. Rock, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!
Ah, okay, choose one, Sally.
I want the red one.
Okay, the strawberry cone. Deema.
I'm gonna go with this neat one.
Nice. Look at this one. Can I see? Yummy. Look at this whipped cream.
It's not whipped cream, guys. Careful.
It's a shaving cream.
That's why it's part of the slime.
All right. Come on, Sally. Rock, paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
She got you. Good job, Sally.
Okay, I want that big one.
Okay.
Look at it, guys.
Looks so cool.
Okay.
Another strawberry. Okay, Deema's turn.
I'm gonna go. That's green apple.
Yeah.
Got green apple. I'm gonna go with the strawberry.
No, I mean the strawberry cone.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
I got strawberry and vanilla.
Let's do this. Rock, paper, together.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah!
Ah.
I can't do that with 2 times. I want to go with this one. That was my first decision. But
Okay.
I'm going to go with, this one.
Okay, Sally picked
It looks
it.
like, guys, look, come. It looks like this is like the part of the boat and this is like the boat.
Look at Sally. Sally already picked it. Okay.
Last one.
The last one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah! Which one, Sally? The big one.
Yes, thank you, Sally.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so let's get to it. So there's something inside. That's why there's 2 cones. So let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
With this shaving cream.
Okay. Go ahead. In front of you, Sally. Yeah. Ah! Look! Ah! I got it coloring.
Okay.
Nice.
So guys, we have to like dig in.
Yeah. So Sally got red food coloring. Yeah, that's okay. Keep it. Keep it on the table.
Let's mix it. I'm gonna go.
1 minute. You have to go to the second one.
3,
Go.
2, 1. Huh?
It's a glue. Go ahead, Deema.
Oh yes. Whoop.
What is it, Sally? It's only shaving cream. Okay. How about you, Deema? It's a pink glue. Okay. Okay. Your third one, Sally.
Can I put this first?
Yeah, go to the third one.
Okay. Can I do it with my hands?
Okay, Sally, go ahead.
Can I do it with my hands?
Okay. What is it, Deema?
Oh, it's just shaving.
It's shaving cream. Okay, Sally's turn. What is it?
Shaving cream.
No, it's a glue. It's a white glue. Look, guys. Wait, Sally, wait. It's a white glue. Woohoo! We could see it. Good job. Okay, Sally.
I'm gonna go with my last one. My last one.
Okay, go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Dip like that. Yeah. Oh, it's a blue glue. How about you, Sally? It's a purple. Purple. Very nice.
Okay, guys. So now it's time to pour the activator.
Activator. Let's do this. Okay, you, Sally.
Let me put it. Oh.
That's okay. Nice. Okay.
Can I mix?
Yeah, you mix, Sally.
Oh, it's gonna be really fluffy, guys.
I think so. I want you guys to comment down below. Which slime do you think is gonna be the best? Sally, here, just here in front of you. Sally or Deema?
Mine, of course.
Okay, oh, nice.
Oh my god,
You need a little bit of activator.
Okay, guys, so we're mixing it.
Look, it's so fluffy. Look at Sally's. You forgot to add your food coloring, Sally. And you too, Deema.
I'm ready for Deema.
Okay, you want to do it together?
3, 2, 1. I like
Perfect. Ooh, it's going to be yellow. Yeah, that's enough. Just
yellowish.
So do you want to add a little bit more to make it yellow, or are you fine with the color?
I like my
Look at Sally. It's pinkish, reddish. Reddish pinky. Okay, both of them are awesome, but they're very fluffy because we added a lot of shaving cream.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, let's do this, Sally. Where's your bubble?
Bubble Master.
Are you the bubble master, Sally? Are you? What? Deema? Who's the bubble master?
It's always me, guys. You guys know it.
So show us. Go ahead, Sally. Oh, good job, Sally! She is the bubble master! Are you the bubble master, Sally?
Yeah.
Wow! One more time! Oh! Come on, Deema. Oh! Good job! One more.
Oh no, please.
Come on, come on. Ah!
Bubble One. It's pop.
Okay,
It's
guys.
pop.
Yeah, bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And hit the notification bell. And don't forget, guys, to comment down below whose slime do you like the most.
Whose slime is the best? Sally or
Me.
the bubble master?
I'm the Bubble Master because mine is not sticky.
Guys, comment down below. Who is the bubble master?
Deema's one that I'm right.
What?
Deema's one that I'm right.
Okay, guys, comment down below. Who is the bubble master? Sally or Deema? Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.